Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Titan, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video, I'd like to show you how you can actually buy Ethereum using Binance platform. So right now I'm there. It's very easy to set up an account. In case you don't know how to do that, please let me know in the comment and we can actually make another video for you where we can show you how you can start an account, how you can sign up, and how you can do KYC. So right now, how you can do so, there are a couple of ways. One is to buy directly using your fiat. Second one is to go to convert. It's something that I do not recommend because if you do via convert, you'll get a little bit lower rate than you can get on market trading. So this is just example. So let's say I want to buy using my Tether, so USDT, and then click on preview conversion and then click on convert. Okay, but I don't want to do that. Of course, it's the same if you want to sell Ethereum and get any stable coin. It doesn't have to be USDT. You can go with USDC as well. But now let's go to the real deal. So go to trade, then classic, and simply, let's see. So right now we need Ethereum. You can find it here. Ethereum, pair Ethereum USDT, the one I'll use since I'm keeping Tether at the moment. So the amount I want to buy is, let's say I want to buy for only $10. Let's say for $15, right? Let's say for 20. And this is the amount of Ethereum I'll get. So this is the price I'm looking for, right? In case the price goes higher, right? Then you have to wait for your order to go. What does that mean? It means that at the moment the price of Ethereum goes back to 3,368, your order will be accomplished, right? So if you don't want to wait, click on cancel. If you're really in rush to buy, simply put it at least $1 higher than this price. But this is the better way because your fee will be only zero. It will be 0.1%. So let's say 3,376 for $20, and then your order will go automatically. So that's it. It's the same if you want to sell. So guys, that's it about this tutorial. Please let me know what do you think, and until next video, please invest smart.